Hello, I'm just here along the old Lichfield and Hatherton Canal, which has been restored by volunteers so that it can be enjoyed by boaters eventually and walkers and cyclists, but basically a lovely quiet space just behind the M6 toll. And just over there, if anyone wants to Google it, was where the Staffordshire hoard was found, which is about a 10-minute walk from my home. Now, I'm going to talk to you today in the assembly about what Forest School is. You might hear some birds because there's a bird box just around the corner. I've got lots and lots of props, so please bear with me. The value of play is now so well established that it's enshrined and preserved within the UN Convention of Rights of the Child. And there are lots of articles that are actually pertinent, important and valued within Forest School. I'm not going to read everything that's on my bits of paper because you probably fall asleep by then. I'm going to tell you which articles the UNICEF articles refer to for Forest School and also the global goals, and you can look them up at your leisure. We've got Article 23. We've got Article 24. We have Article 27. We have Article 28. Article 29. You can imagine there's quite a few articles. Article 31. Global Goal 3. Global, oh it's slightly breezy, Goal 4. Global Goal 5. Global Goal 7. Global Goal 11. Global Goal 12. Global Goal 13. I will pick those papers up and I'll finish my assembly. Global Goal 14. Global Goal 15. And Global Goal 17. So there's an awful lot of goals that are included and inclusive within Forest School. So, what is Forest School? Some of you might have done Forest School in your primary schools, and it's a bit different in secondary school. But what we do talk about a lot is sustainability. But what exactly is sustainable? What does sustainability mean? Well, it's meeting the needs of ourselves without taking away from the needs of other people and communities in the future, so that we don't waste what we have now, so that there's nothing left for anyone else. Now, Forest School is a long-term programme, excuse my itchy nose. It's for a minimum, ideally, for the Forest School Association, for a minimum of 6 weeks, ideally to cover all 4 seasons of the year. It provides opportunities to make detailed observations, to look and find out. It builds and develops social relationships and communication skills. It builds confidence to problem solve and take risks in a safe and controlled environment so that you can take those risks elsewhere. It allows you to develop interests and skills. It provides opportunities to work with and in the natural environment, providing the opportunity to gain understanding and the impact of the changes. Forest School uses natural resources for inspiration, to link experiences at home, school, and eventually the workplace. Forest School aims to foster and encourage regular opportunities and experiences in order to develop long-term, environmentally sustainable, I mentioned sustainable earlier, practices and attitudes in staff, learners and the wider community. Please speak up there. Forest School encourages play and choice. If any student doesn't want to participate in Forest School, that's fine, as long as they watch and stay a safe distance where we can also look after you. And then you can join the group whenever you're ready. That doesn't mean to say that you're excluded. It means that you're included in your own time. Big question here. Is forest school real learning? Now, a lot of people would say no, and I'm going to prove them wrong. Let's take an example. Well, Wikipedia, and I've had to write this down, Wikipedia, beyond primary age children, it is frequently used to further develop social skills and explore creative learning, and focuses on developing firm foundations for continued personal and educational development. The benefits, this is again all from Wikipedia, it encourages freedom and responsibility. Experiences usually prohibited activities like lighting fires that you may not necessarily do at home. May learn from being out of the classroom. Some people prefer to be out of the classroom to learn than being indoors and enclosed. Improved appreciation of the natural world. How does forest school support development? Well, it develops body control and coordination. It improves body strength, and it improves social skills. It improves knowledge and understanding of the natural world and the environment, and allows the learner to take risks in a safe environment. Improves mental health by being outside. And we all know in the current situation, when we've been in lockdown, being outside has been really, really important. Spending out time outside in nature can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and boost feelings of happiness and well-being. Okay, I'm going to give you a typical lesson. Campfire and cooking. Right, we've all done that. And we have made toasted marshmallows, noodles, toast, popcorn, s'mores, hot drinks, and quesadillas. We've done all of those on our campfire. Was that just having a snack? Was that just filling our faces? No, it wasn't. It covered the topic, PSHE. We've taken share responsibility to keep ourselves and others safe, to make choices, ask for help. That's all part of PSHE. Looked after people and other living things, and understand that they have needs, and we don't destroy a habitat just because we can. To feel positive about ourselves and our work, or PSHE. Science. To find out the uses of a variety of materials and why they're suitable for the task. Do we have wet wood? Do we have dry wood? What sort of wood's good for making loads of smoke? What's good for making heat? To identify light sources, follow instructions and reduce the risk of others and yourself. Follow instructions for the control of fire. Using our senses, touch, taste, smell, hear, sight. What can we see? What can we hear? What can we taste? Communicate what happened to the wood, the food, etc. Explore and describe the way things changed when they were heated. All science. History. How people cooked in the past. They cooked on campfires. We don't so much now. We have lovely kitchens. Maths. Oh, I hated maths at school. Compare, use and measure objects. Estimate the size of objects and order them using the correct language. So we can make tinder. We can make kindling. It's all different sizes of wood. Cutting and sorting wood for a specific purpose. Are we going to use it for carving? Are we going to use it for our skewers for cooking? Design and technology. Yay. Select the tools, techniques and materials required for our task. Focus practical skills that develop a range of techniques and skills and processes and knowledge. Cut and shape a range of materials. Select materials for making a product like a toasting fork. Follow safe procedures for food safety and hygiene. Communication. Lots of communication going on in this assembly. Speaking and listening. Group discussions on rules and how to behave around fire, food and tools. And you thought you were only playing and making a snack. I'm going to leave you with this because I think I've probably talked enough. And it's a beautiful day and I want to concentrate on going out, finishing my brew and seeing what I can explore. There's lots of trees around here that I want to climb and get some forest school information and inspiration from. So I'll leave you with this. No matter how old you get, always stop and fill your pockets with smooth stones, empty snail shells and other little treasures. Be curious, cause no harm, dream, inspire and believe. See you soon. Bye.